Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your TimeGuard water heater controller. First, let's get it set up. Begin by ensuring your TimeGuard unit is properly wired to your water heater and the main power supply. Always confirm the power is off before connecting any wires. Mount the unit securely in an accessible spot, following the manual. Now, let's program your hot water schedule. Press the prog button to enter the programming mode. You can then set your desired on and off times for when you need hot water. Remember to select the specific days of the week for each event. Once you've entered all your settings, press prog again or the clock button to save and exit. Now for the magic step. Using your finger or Apple Pencil, draw a circular shape on the screen. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The key is what you do next. After completing your rough circle, keep your finger or pencil held down on the screen for about 1 second. You will see your freehand drawing instantly snap into a perfectly formed circle. To maximize efficiency and save energy, program your TimeGuard unit to heat water only when you truly need it. Avoid heating water unnecessarily by making smart use of the timer and boost functions. Also, consider insulating your hot water tank and pipes to retain heat better. Regularly checking for any leaks can also prevent energy waste and potential water damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.